Hi friends, this is Pritam Kaul and you're watching the Bengal Traders. And today we're going to analyze Mahindra and Mahindra Finance, a mid-cap stock for swing trades. Preferably, I do mid-cap stocks and large-cap stocks and avoid small-cap stocks due to operator issue. Uh, yeah, I got much more losses in due to operator issue, so that I avoid them. But I do sometimes when it's like 100% means my convictions plays with major role. But majorly I prefer mid cap stocks than large cap stocks, because large caps don't give me that risk to reward ratio very often, but mid caps give me that risk to reward ratio. In that sense I do this. So let's go to the Mahindra and Mahindra Finance chart and analyze in details. So if you guys like the video and my work, please support me. I know I am not deliberately doing this, just in a sense of starting something unique not in sense, but starting something for just spreading the educational purpose, and giving some of the financial literacy. Uh, yeah, let's go to the chart. So we have opened the chart of Mahindra and Mahindra Finance in weekly time frame. So we will go from top to down, like monthly, weekly, and to the lower time frames, because then only we can understand the market situations and what the price is telling actually. So in that process, I have seen to in monthly that is not that much we can rely, but the problem is that we cannot hold that much, I think so. Many of them are swing trades, means they go for 1 to 2 weeks hardly, but even in weekly time frame you can go for a month for your positions. But uh, so that instinctively I saw, and but here in weekly time frame what I see is, in this chart, is that a great pattern breakout has been formed. So I will show you. Let me draw the charts. Yeah, it's here. From this here to, note that you always go through the body, not the wick, so that you get the most touch points. Yeah, always the wicks, body. Yeah, you go here, because yeah, you can see it closely. I will show you here. Yeah, you can see that this face, how I took the body here. I cannot take, because for the adjustment here, you see here, for the vigilance of getting this body, I didn't get the touch point. That's okay, fine, but we got this one here. We didn't get here, but most probably we got that. Yeah. So in the resistance, the channel pattern has 1 2 touch point, 3 touch point, 4 touch point, 5 touch points. Almost the 6th touch point is the breakout. And if you see how I'm saying this is trend line. Okay, how I'm saying the pattern, because you can say or anything. Uh, just you see, if you draw a thing that if it was a trend line for the, see here, 1 touch point, 2 touch point, 3 touch point, 4 touch point, 5 touch points nearly. You cannot rely on this, because this was the time when Corona happened and the market were too much down, and means it was a crash, and that time it happened this, and you can see that again market went immediately within in the recovery to the zone, and it was consolidating there. Here you can see it. So I get this as a trend line. It's just how you see, how your convictions tells you, and in that process. So in weekly time frame, you can see the total time frame, total chart as like this. You can see it here. So it is a wonderful things happened here. You can see here. This you should not consider, because it is an absolutely, you can consider if it was in the range, but it was, yeah, it was a news based, it was a incident based pattern that time, but that is a diligence you go. But if you see here now, what the fact is that it has given the breakout of that this channel pattern. and you can see here how strong the candle is. The volume is not that much, but you can see the means strong candle how it is. So with this thing, I get that in, if you go to the daily time frame, you see here uh, how you get how you got the thing right from here. It gave the breakout here, then a pause candle. You can say whatever you candle, inside candle, anything you can say, but it's, I think it's not inside. Yeah, it's a pause. Then it went opened gap up, came back for retests. I was hoping for retest till here, but that was negligible because in multi time frame it was a hard time frame. So it was basically it was coming to here. That was okay, but I didn't get this trade here. I just closed. I just took the trade here, nearly 89 point something. Yeah, okay. So the entry was here for me because I gone for some positions here on the day of pause. Then on because the stop loss was for me, it was here because I cannot get much more than that because my risk appetite is that much only. So it was very good. It came to down here that I made some quantity just because I felt that it was sent happening to go this way because this is a support zone. It was acting as a support zone. So if it goes till here, I will create some positions there also, but it didn't happen and just it is now in 3%. So if you see uh, how much, what is the target, what is the stop loss we get. Stop loss will be here. Let me show you in stop loss weekly time frame the actual breakout happening. The weekly time frame I getting here, that is around 7 percentage, 7.5%, 8%, and the target I'm trying to get is at least 30 percentage. This zone. You say why I am getting, okay, this zone. Why I am getting this as a target? Because to be honest, there was you can see if I zoom it in, the same level where I kept the target here, 224, yeah, 225, nearly 225, 224 point, yeah, 25. So in that positions you see here, this was the breakout, and see here, yeah, sorry, here, yeah, this zone is a consolidation period where it holded many times. uh, I feel that this is something where it can stop for a long. Yeah, if it goes on, I can trail and we can trail and just make some good handsome money. But first, basically, this will be the target. 1:2 should be always first target. Yeah, it's 1:2 above. So make it plan, make it quite good plans, and yeah, from here onwards it can go up to this level, but the market condition is until now bearish. But this stock, this is something for a short term, uh, so that it may go if the market was supermarket like it was in the previous October, November time, yeah, August 50, previous August, September, October time in the 2021. But for now I don't see this much target is expected by in this market. I will go for this much only. Sorry, yeah, this much only. So in that case, so don't immediately jump. In this case, you will see that you missed the opportunity of getting in because it's already up by 4%. I think so. Yeah, let me just check it out. Okay, in daily time frame we will go. Okay, yeah, okay, not sorry. I'm not so pro at using the laptop. Yeah, if we get the entry here, it's almost 4%. Yeah, for 4% up. So we don't just we will missing the we will missing the one, we will be not fitting in the risk to reward ratio. So Just wait for it jump. If you have so much risk appetite, then you can easily get in, because that's up to you. But I will recommend not to do like that ways. Yeah, it can go further, but to be honest, if you really want to desperate to get in, then just size the position where it comes the position sizing. Because if you see, uh, let me say that if market opens flat and you just get the entry at the same level of yesterday's closing, therefore yesterday's closing, then you get the stop loss here at 11 percentage. That is my risk, means the weekly time frame, the low of the week. But if you go for the I don't feel that this much stop loss is expected for beginner or anybody who is there. It comes, and you can see also that the distributor is also coming back to 1:1 nearly, and that is something I will be not deliberately asking people to do. So that's the thing. And so my entry will be here. This is the thing, and I think it will come to this zone again, because you see, in one daily 1 hour time frame, if you go, just let me refresh it. Okay, so you can see a trend line been coming down, where my age is telling me what is the age. You can just, I will make a separate video on it, but my age tell me that it was following this trend line, where almost two times it has touched. So it's bound to come here in these zones at any cost. Maybe not tomorrow. It's maybe yeah, it's maybe on 15th. It's maybe on 18th. Anything can happen. But to be honest, this is something. But if you get entry at right price, just take it if you're risk appetite. But for me, 190 192 is the correct price to enter. Just check your risk appetite and make positions to be. And a disclaimer that this video is not any sponsored. This video is not any tips. It's just for education purpose. I showed you how to draw a trend line. I showed you how to enter and why to make, how to minimize your stop losses, and how to uh, how to be not desperate to trade. If we get something in our conditions, then it's good to trade. I hope so. Everything is just for education purpose. Don't, this is not a financial advice. It's just to make you aware of the, and make, give a simple life of financial literacy. So that's must. Just if you like the video, just like in the YouTube section, and share with the friends, and help them to learn something basics about price action and techniques, and in simple things. You just learn things in simple. That's the most important thing you follow. Yeah, and that's all till today, and I'm signing off. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.